Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in here on Raw Stat Reviews. So this video is more like a test video for my new wireless microphone that I bought since I've always had issues here with the audio quality just using the iPhone's mics. And I'm using this Wonder Woman bust, which I have here on display in my apartment, to do this short review, and hope that you will let me know in the comment section down below whether the audio is now better than with my previous videos. I will check this out again myself, of course, as well. So this piece I've already reviewed. This, of course, is the Wonder Woman Ultimate Edition bust, where she has her hands on her hips. I think that's the position she had in this final scene on the roof of that destroyed factory or whatever that was, or nuclear plant in that fictional city somewhere in Russia, where Steppenwolf set up his lair in the Justice League movie. Although an older piece, I think she's still holding up very well. I've also got the full statue, of course, but this is just the bust, as you can see. Beautiful face sculpt, really looking nice. I think she looks pretty much like Gal, especially from side views. I think Prime 1 is capturing Gal's likeness from a side view always a bit better than from a front view. Very nice details here on the armor. I love the movie suit. Very, very cool. Fingers also very nice, and the texture here of this piece is really good. So they have been using a translucent resin, but gave her this kind of texture that looks a little bit like she's having a bit of goosebumps here, but looks more natural than the translucent resin of the Wonder Woman Hydra, for example, which is very, very smooth, so no texture at all, almost. So I like that a lot. Yeah, weapons, shield, and Sword of Athena, God Killer. Nice, but plastic. It's a bit of a miss. Should have been polystyrene. Would have enhanced the quality. Anyway, great piece. Let me know how the audio quality was, please, and I hope this enhanced the whole thing very much. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you soon. Bye-bye.